Good morning, gang. Just walking to the train station right now. Went to the Sendai station this morning, where the train was packed. Like there was like people were getting squeezed in. Like no way there was enough space for me and this, lump of luggage. So now catching a different train station. It's a bit far away, but I'm very excited to catch the bullet train though. Alright. Kakegawa City. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Whoa, 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 this is amazing. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ರ ಉಸಿರ ಪಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲದೀನಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂಲ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೇನ ಇದೀನಿ Yeah. Yeah. See everything, man. Fuji-san. Oh, yes. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. What is those lights, man? Crazy lights. Ini betul pun deh. So this is the original stage. They rebuilt the whole thing. I mean, it's not a reconstruction, it's like a rebuilding. Like they just had the base effectively. So sorry. Wait, what? Yeah, how did we end up with a church here? Alright, it is day 2 here in Kakegawa? No, Sakagawa. Today we're taking a bike ride around the place because it's so beautiful, like you'll see that you all saw yesterday. Taking a bike ride up to, I think it's like a bird park, like it ain't really about the destination. Like of course I've seen birds before, but I think it'll be a very nice scenic ride. Now unfortunately I bought this little, not GoPro, what is it? Not even a gimbal, just like this thing, like a selfie stick to hold my phone with, but bro, I fumbled. I literally fumbled, it broke. Like it fell down and broke, so I don't know. It's probably gonna be difficult to record while riding, but I'm gonna try anyway. Hopefully I don't crash or whatever, but yeah, so here's the bike rack. There's so many bikes that we can steal from. Now we're doing one hand for y'all, bro. What a crash. It's so chill and relaxing though. Yeah. Very chill. Alright, so we made it to the bird park. It is full, by the way, so you know, choosing to come on a Saturday might not have been the best choice, but we're here. Bird park. Where's your birds, bro? I actually feel so bad for these birds, bro. Like, they ain't got nothing to do all day. Caged up. There's even a kookaburra in here. Bro got imported all the way from Australia for this, man. Like, no. It's crazy though, like all these owls and stuff should technically be asleep right now because like they're night hunters, but they have these bright lights inside keeping them awake so that, you know, we can take a little look at them. So now we're in like more of an interactive area. Obviously no touching, but these guys are literally coming up to you. No, I don't know where there's a toucan. Now this toucan is crazy though. He's like the main like attraction here, right? And what a magnificent beat. What's this? Is it a bin chicken? Oh, no. Bro, all the way from Australia, bro. No. Now we're here in the little fish area, just a little fish area. That's insane. It's just, bro, it's just fish after fish. I guess it'll have to be packed with fish, right? So we get some the density threshold so we can actually see fish. I think there's like a glass compartment which you can kind of see the underside. Let me show you the density of the pond I was talking about, you know? Look at this. It's packed with fish. Imagine how much food they have to get. Look at those leaves. Oh my god, bro. Like, I swear you can like float in these. There's some angel's trumpets in here. This is the hallucinogenic. I'm pretty sure if you eat the seeds of this. This is like the mind controlling one, I think. I'm pretty sure. So I think we found a like thing that we have to do, right? We have to do this. This is where you put your foot down and like get all the fungus eaten from the fish. We have to do this. Nah. That fishies, here I come. Bro, he's already ready to eat, bro. He's getting ready, bro. Y'all see that? Fishies, please go easy. Ah! Oh my god. Ah. Bro, they don't have this like brown meat, bro. It's like the rarity for them. That's why all of them here, bro. So we just asked the guy, which guy? The guy over there, like, what do the fish get to eat? Like, you know, how many times do you feed the fish? Apparently none. They're literally surviving on like our dead skin cells. Like, I was expecting like at least, you know, like at night they get like a little snack, you know, like. But I guess that's all they got. No wonder they were going off at it. Like, it is what it is, right? Guys, the chosen. Bro, I hope it does not eat my earring. Yeah, look, this probably ain't personally like my cup of tea. It's like the wing, because these birds have like a wingspan of like 30 or something centimeters. Keeping them in this, bruh, feels a bit tough, but like it is what it is, right? So again, we have some more owls, and I was about to say that it's quite interesting how they're like each standing on their own log without like moving, but then I think they're actually chained down, so like everybody gotta eat. We have another Australian export, the Gala. No, bro, you good, bro? Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for the park. Very interesting. It's a very nice and cute little place. Like a bunch of experiences. I really like the fish one. I think that was very much worth it. It was 500 yen per person, so, but you know, it was kind of disheartening to see, especially like the owls just standing around awake during the daytime. But you know, everybody's gotta eat. Everybody's gotta eat. So like, yeah, tight. So yeah, time to ride back. I think we might have lunch now. I'm hoping to have some good sushi, especially because it's like a regional area here, so we'll see how that goes. One thing that's quite interesting here is they have these little mirrors so that you can see if people are crossing, which is very helpful. All right, let's go. So we're here at Karakura, and they have a sushi train. Oh. So we just order from here. Okay, goods are arriving one by one. Alright, everything has come so far. We're about to dig in. We'll probably end up buying more. Like, this is not gonna feed me, bro. Something I'm very excited to try is authentic wasabi. Like, you know, I've tried this in Australia, but apparently they use a lot of horseradish. So let's get my reaction. Authentic wasabi. Oh wow. It's much milder than the ones we have there. The one over there, when I eat it like by itself, like it burns like my nose and everything. It's much milder. There you go. Alright, first up we have the squid. The ginger really helps though. I don't think I could eat raw squid. Yeah, this one is my favorite. So some kind of prawn one. Put a prawn with mayo like that. That was so good. That was so good. Now we're just chilling for the day. Shiba Inu. Shiba. We're back. Almost at our little spot. I like the retaining wall on this. I think it's a temple upstairs. It's very compact. You can see even like this little car, like the size of the garage. It's, you know, very efficient, and even the gardens are kept so nice and neat. Like there is no need for this plant, right? Like come on now, it does not need to look like that, but they do it, and it's very common throughout here. Like they're very much in shape, I guess that's the word. Alright, we're back. It was a fantastic day. The bike rides are amazing. Like the terrain was so much like flatter than I expected. There was like no like hills, no nothing either way, and that's how I was able to get the shot despite my like selfie stick braking, right? Beautiful weather outside, and just it was perfect, really. Like such a good calming ride. Throwing a little party for like some of my uncle's like workmates here. And yeah, tomorrow plan to leave in the morning to Nagano through Nagoya to meet up with the boys again. So yeah, we're trying to see snow monkeys, you know, the little macaques, but like end of the day, like they're not dipping in that hot spring. It's just not cold enough, so I you know, unfortunately we might not see this macaques, but that's where we're headed to next, and I'll see you guys there. Bye. Okay. For the video, could done, I mean, oh, I can.